Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. These quick and easy salted shoestring fries are the perfect pair for burgers, fried chicken and grilled meats. Follow along as I transform humble potatoes into thin and crispy fries. I peel the potatoes and slice them into thin strips as required for traditional shoestring fries. With all the potatoes cut, I soak the strips for a few minutes, then I rinse and drain them. I let them sit in a colander for a while to get rid of excess water or pat them dry with paper towels before frying them in hot oil to achieve that iconic crispy crunch. Don't overcrowd the pan when frying to guarantee that the chips cook perfectly and result in crispy fries. Once cooked, I place them on paper towels and repeat these steps until all chips are done. I'm keeping things simple, so I season the chips with salt. If you'd like to spice things up, some popular flavors are paprika and Cajun fries. However, feel free to play around with different flavor profiles and adjust this to your taste. I finished the fries off with a heavy dusting of fine salt. Our shoestring fries are now ready to serve with your accompaniment of choice, with or without sauce. As I mentioned at the start, they pair well with burgers, fried chicken, and grilled meats, and they are super delicious. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one.